Portland Jetty Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. But today we're going to do another segment of the cleaning table. And today we're going to be cleaning a sailcat. Fairly straightforward fish to clean, fairly easy. No different than a freshwater cat. I clean them the same exact way. And after the video, if you guys want to see some more fish cleaning videos, I have a playlist called The Cleaning Table. So go check out that playlist. I'll put a card up here somewhere, either at the beginning of the video or towards the end of the video for that playlist. Go check that out so you see some other different fish to clean, how I clean them. Maybe it'll help you guys out. Hopefully it does. Well guys, I will see you at the cleaning table. All right guys, I'm at the cleaning table. I got my two sailcats here. These are actually very easy fish to clean. They're just as easy as a freshwater catfish. And they don't taste much different than a freshwater catfish, to be honest with you. Come right behind this, see this little rib part right here, you can see it? I just make a diagonal cut right there. Because most of the rest of this is just all waste. Just cut back like this. Got you a nice fillet. To the other side, there's that little rib part. Just come up like that, flip it. And there you go. Now, sailcat is not my favorite eating fish by any means, but they are not bad. I do not like the hardhead or the mudcats. I've tried eating them, and I just don't like them. They just have a funny taste to me, and I just don't care for it. But these, if I catch some, even if I'm not targeting them, if I'm not catching nothing else, I will keep these to eat. They're not a bad fish at all. Rinse all this off. Just like that. All right, we'll just skin them. They're really easy to clean. Very easy fish. Just like that. And the only rib part you gotta take off is that right there. And you got a really nice piece of meat right there, guys. It is not bad at all. Tastes real similar to freshwater catfish. I mean, I will say freshwater I would think is a little bit better, but it's not bad, man. Not bad at all. I've had a couple requests to do a sailcat trash fish or treasure, so we're going to do one. Me and the girls went out and caught these two sailcats. I was hoping to catch more. I wanted like 4 or 5 of them. But we caught 2 sailcats and 2 nice whiting. Plus I have some mangoes to go along with this. So we'll see, guys. All right. That's what you end up with for 2 fish. Actually, not a bad yield, to be honest with you, for 2 small sailcats. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, cleaning a sailcat. As you can tell, it's pretty easy. It's not a hard fish to clean. And you do get quite a bit of meat off a relatively small one. So you can imagine if they were good 5, 6, 7, 8 pound sailcats, which they get that big and bigger. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you like it, shoot me a thumbs up. They're always appreciated, you know. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are a subscriber, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. I really do. And don't forget to go check out that other playlist I have, cleaning table. I'll put a card up here somewhere. So you guys go check that out. Look at some of the other footage I got of cleaning different fish. And I'll see you guys on the water here soon. Tight lines, y'all.